Error 70 indicates a resistance in the drain system. Please press C to cancel the error code. Then press Menu Enter, followed by the Down button, and Menu Enter to enter manual mode. Press the Down button until you can choose Drain Chamber. Place the lid in the lid holder and press Menu Enter. This empties the drain system. Please check the filter for a possible blockage by opening the filter cap located on the back plate of the autoclave with the filter key delivered with the DAC Universal. Use surgical gloves when removing the filter with the filter key. First, flush the filter under running tap water. Then wrap a piece of paper around it while blowing it through with compressed air. If the filter is too dirty, replace it with a new one. Reinsert the filter into the filter house located on the back plate of the DAC Universal and tighten very gently with the filter key. Afterwards, place the filter cap again and tighten gently with the filter key. If a drain tank is used, please check if it is full and empty it if necessary. Also, please check the drain tube for any possible bends or blockages. Press the Start button, followed by pressing the safety ring to restart a cycle. If you still experience an error 70, please call your supplier.